So this is our tent. We were very close by the shelters right there. And the tent sites are pretty close to each other. So we had one here, one here, one here, and there's further there and more. So it's pretty close by each other. And we have pit washrooms I'll show right now. Here's another tent side. And one more. So in total there should be 22 campsites in Whitehorn Campground. And a lot of empty ones. Here's another tent pad. And here we're coming to the 2 pit toilets. Just basic pit. Stinky places. So here's one. Here's the other one. And then right close by there are bear lockers. So we have 8 bear lockers here and another 8 here. So it's 16 lockers, which seems not enough for 22 sites, but there are 8 more lockers on the other side of campground, and I will show it to you. So now we're going back, I'll say, to the beach and the shelter. There's a storage house, another tent pad. I don't know if you can see, there are more tents there. So this is one big pathway. So yeah, that's where you go for the toilets and bear lockers. It's on the left side from the shelter, and the river is right there. You can get water in that river and maybe take a cold plunge, as some people did. There's a picnic table right there. And that's the shelter and the gray water station right there, people washing it up. The bridge right there is that will lead to Berg Lake and other campgrounds. Yeah, this is premium breakfast spot. So this valley is in the shade in the morning and the evening. Okay. So yeah, the sign shows pit toilets and bear lockers on that side. And there is another locker right here. So there are plenty of tents. This is where we stayed. There's a little table in the background. And the bear locker is right here. So here we have 8 more bear lockers. So in total 24 lockers for 22 sites. So plenty of space for everybody. And here we have a 3 people tent. Plenty of space. I saw people putting 1 person and 2-person tents in one pad. It's 10 by 10, so it fits. And here's Clara. So yeah, that's a tour of Whitehorn Campground. Hopefully this helps.